question, is marketing an expense or an investment? Now, what if sasabihin ko sa'yo, it depends. For example, in this case, sa tingin mo, eto mga billboard na to, expense ba to or investment? This is an expense. And here's why. How do you define ba investment versus expense? Expense is naglalabas ka ng pera because you do not know how much is coming back. Investment is merong bumabalik. But the key thing here is this. Investment siya if merong bumabalik and I can track how much is coming back. Okay? So, for example, ito, may ad ni Manny Pacquiao. Okay? Malalaman ba nila ni Unipac, no, kung magkano yung na-generate nila na revenue because of this specific ad? Most likely not. This is a branding play. Yes, they're doing this kasi it generates more sales. Pero the problem is, there might be a lot of billboards. Isa lang to sa billboard niya. They might be doing TV ads. They might be doing radio ads, social media ads. So the problem here is, you do not know what advertising campaign is actually bringing in the money. Yes? Ngayon, I'm gonna show you a billboard that is an investment. So eto, if you notice, it's still a billboard, pero the reason bakit masasabi ko na investment na to, because you can now track how many of those sales is coming from this specific billboard. So for example, eto si Zalora, meron siyang promo, and sinabi dito, use code PASAY. So just imagine, most likely this billboard is galing sa Pasay, and if you use that code, that means they know that you are buying in Pasay. You're buying because of this billboard. So therefore, they can literally track, oh, this specific ad campaign is breaking even, making money, or losing money. That is how you determine whether whether marketing is an expense or investment. Now, you might be saying, oh, I'm running Facebook ads. So is it an expense or an investment? It depends. Because I see a lot of business owners running Facebook ads. They do not even know what specific ads is making money and what specific ads is not making money. And that is a problem.